What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having an awesome time out there. It's Super Bowl weekend. I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves out there, not getting in too much trouble out there. But I have a shoe today that I'm going to be doing reviewing on, and I've had this shoe for quite a little bit of time. It's actually my basketball shoe. It's a shoe that actually can compete with the Kyrie's if you really looking for a very cheap shoe to get you there. So pretty much this shoe is actually Adidas Post Spark 2018. If you guys know about these are actually very good basketball shoes, as you could see. Complete fabric shoe. But we're gonna get into the shoe in itself, and I've had this shoe for quite a while. I no longer have the box for it. So we're gonna get into a full review of the shoe in itself, what it looks like, how it takes pounding, how it deals with water, all sorts of questions that you guys may have. And if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to hit me up in the comments below as well. I'm gonna try to find a link for this shoe and I'll put it in the description below as well if you're looking to get yourself a very good basketball shoe. If you're in a YMCA league of some sort, or if your kid is in AAU and they need a shoe to beat up on, this is actually a very affordable shoe. You could find these at Kohl's, I believe. You can find them in various, I believe Amazon also have them. You could also find them in various other stores out there where you're not gonna be paying an arm and a leg for your kid to be playing basketball. So that's actually what this shoe brings for me. That's the value for this shoe. I believe I got this for under $50 when I got it. It was on sale. I believe it was on sale on Amazon, but that was quite a while ago. I can't quite remember exactly. But it's a very good shoe, and we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show you exactly all the wear and tear I put into the shoe. Don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe as well. Let's get into the shoe. Okay, guys. This is the shoe in a nutshell. The top of the shoe is fabric, complete fabric. As you could see, there's barely a toe box there. I'm gonna turn it around so you guys could take a look. There's barely a toe box there, and there's this little leather patch on this side here. The one drawback from this shoe is if your kid is gonna be, or if you're gonna be playing outside in the rain or where there's puddle of water, keep in mind this is completely fabric and your feet will get soaked. So just keep that in mind. That's the only drawback with this shoe in a nutshell. As far as the sole is concerned, is that blue awesome sole with the midsole with the cloud foam in there. When you put that in your feet, you feel like you're on cloud nine with the 3 Adidas stripes over there and a little artwork stitching on the side of it. So one side has the stitching, as you could see. The other side has the leather patch that actually covers your toe, your big toe, to say the least. And the tongue in itself is strictly an Adidas basketball shoe. As you could see on the tongue there, it will actually, I'm gonna move the laces so you guys could see here, it's Adidas basketball 7, and those are the various numbers that comes with it. And it actually has 2 lace holders in it. That's how cool it is. And you could lace it up all the way to the top, because I play ball in these a lot. I beat up on them a lot, so I lace mine all the way to the top to protect my ankles. Those are actually perfect for ankles. You can see, as you can see here, I pretty much wear these a lot. It has the 3 stripes at the bottom as well of the shoe. The 3 stripes are actually at the bottom, very bottom sole of the shoe. And on the side, there's also that little stitching, that blue artsy stitching right there on the inside of the shoe. And pretty much the back of it has some sort of basketball, wavy basketball design, trackish looking kind of design back there. But it looks awesome on your feet. if you stay tuned, I'll show you exactly what it looked like on my on-foot review as well. The interior of the shoe, inside the tongue in itself, this is what it looks like. There was an Adidas. From wearing it a lot, I actually wore out the Adidas sign that's actually in there. I've had these for quite a long time, and I've played ball with them for the most part. That's pretty much how the shoe is made. This is the authentication sign of the shoe. It was made in Vietnam, as you could see. The name of the shoe in itself, and a barcode that's over there as well. And these are perfect in size 10 as well. If you're looking to get you, you don't have to go a half size up. I'm a size 10, 10 and a half. Most Jordans I wear 10 and a half because I want to go a half size up just to give my feet some movement. But these you don't necessarily have to do that with because they fit pretty snug. If you're indoors and playing ball, these are actually the perfect kind of shoes for you to get your hands on. If you're looking to get you a pair, I'm gonna find the link and put it in the description below. The midsole in itself is cloud foam. This is completely spongy material. As you can see, I'm squeezing it and it's giving back after all these years that I've had this shoe. I believe it's been 3 years to be exact, 4 years to be exact. But those are actually one of the best basketball shoes I own. Whenever I want to get out there on the court and play and hoop around, this is the shoe I will get into. If you look on the side, on the midsole as well, it'll say cloud foam on, as well on it. It's super comfortable, very, very easy on your ankles. You don't have to worry much about anything when you got these shoes on. You could just lace them up and go hoop in any way, shape, or form. I'm gonna actually show you the on-foot review of the shoe in itself in a few minutes, so stay tuned, guys. If you like this video, feel free to hit the like button and don't hesitate to subscribe as well so I can create more content for you guys as well. All right, guys, let's get on to the on-foot review part of it. On-foot review of the Adidas Pro Spark 2018. These are ultimate basketball shoes. That's actually the front. The toe box is how flexible the fabric is in the toes. You could feel it, and the leather on the front of it, along with the art design. And it's actually a perfect basketball shoe. Can't go wrong with it. That's the side. That's the inside of the shoe. That has a little bit of a design on the inside of it, and we're gonna get into the back of it as well so you could see it. That's the back of the shoe right there. Definitely can't go wrong with those. I've had those for a couple years now. Great basketball shoes. If you want to compare them to a shoe, I would compare them to the Kyrie's, Nike Kyrie's, to be honest with you. Great grip, as you could hear. Awesome ankle support to play ball in. Those are great quality shoes for a child in AAU. If you're looking to get them something nice that they can play ball in and definitely be healthy and have ankle support and definitely enjoy themselves while playing out there. I know a lot of kids want the Jordans, but those are actually affordable, and you can actually get a lot bang for your buck with these shoes right here. I wouldn't recommend playing outside with them because there's a few issues with the fabric in itself. The fabric on there, if it's raining or if there's water, if you step in a puddle of water, your socks will get wet. The whole entire shoe will get wet because it's not protected. But other than that, it's very soft. You definitely should get your hands on a pair of those if you're interested. I'll be leaving the link in the description below. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and comment as well. And I hope you guys enjoy. All right, peace.